Hey class, I just wanted to show my 3D printer, and it's actually printing something right now. So this is made by a company called Creality, and then this model is the CR20 Pro. And I've only had this for a few days because shipping here takes forever. And cool, yeah, this print is actually, I think it's almost done. It should be finished by the time I finish this video. So basically, first I'll go over how we get the prints, and then I'll go over how the 3D printer works. So first, you have to have a design for something. So you can use, there's several different types of software. I just use this one. It's called Tinkercad. And so you can make a design, and then you just export the file and print it out. Or if you don't want to design something, you can go to get pre-made designs. So there's a really good website called Thingiverse where people have designed stuff and they just share it with everyone. So you can just go and download the designs and then it can print it out. But before you print it out, you have to do one more thing. So first let me explain what's going on. So basically it's just printing in layers. So it starts at the very bottom and then it just prints higher, 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 higher until it gets to the top and it's finished. So you have to kind of tell it how to print these layers. So after you have the design, you save that file and then you have to put it into another piece of software called a slicer. And the one I'm using is called Cura. And so basically all this does, you just put it in here and you click a button and it cuts it into the layers. So it starts at the very bottom, and then there's mathematical formulas that figure out what is the best way to cut these layers to make the design. And then it just prints it up until it gets to the top and it's finished. So this saves it as a computer code. And so after you do that, the computer code is saved onto a micro SD, like right here. And you literally just pop it in there. And there's a little control panel over here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. So you just so you just use this wheel. You can do different stuff with that. Yeah, so it's kind of just controlling a computer. You just basically push a button and say print. That's all. Yeah, and then like I said, it starts printing at the very bottom. This is called the bed, and it's actually pretty hot right now because you have to keep it warm. So that way the print will stick to the bed while it's printing and it won't get shaken loose and mess up the print. Right, and so it's moving, and a 3D printer works because it has 3 motors and it moves in 3 axes. So this is the bed, and on this machine it has a motor which moves the bed. Right back here is the motor, so this moves the bed north and south. So this little motor right here is just moving this north and south this way. And then here is another motor. This is the x-axis. So as you can see, this is moving left and right. It's not moving very much right now because it's almost finished, but it is moving a little bit. And then finally we have the z-axis. So this is the motor which moves it up and down so it can do those different layers. Yeah. Okay. And then we have the plastic right here. This is called a filament, and it's literally just a roll of plastic string. And that just comes down into a little motor right here. So if you can see, it is kind of hard. This is the little motor which just pulls the plastic filament string into here, and this just comes out the bottom. And this guy can see one. Yeah, so there's a little metal tip which is heated, and so the plastic just comes out. Oh cool, we just finished. Yeah, cool. So the plastic comes out of that little metal tip and just prints it, and it's just finished. So I'm gonna wait a minute for it to cool down. You don't really want to pull it off right now. You want to let it cool down because some of this plastic is still soft. Okay. And then this bed plate is pretty cool because it's magnetic. And so some of them you have to use some different things, but this one you just like lift it up. Yeah, like that. And then, yeah, you kind of just pull it off. Let's see here. Kind of hard to do with one hand.